The State Library of Western Australia collects, preserves and maintains collections that tell Western Australian stories. These collections can include newspapers, maps, diaries, as well as pictures. There are over 700,000 images available from the State Library Pictorial Collection, and many of these are available online through the internet. This video is going to demonstrate how you can access these images over the internet from your own device. I'm going to look for photographs of the historic homestead Wallcliffe House, built between 1857 and 1865 by Alfred and Ellen Bussell. Start at the State Library of Western Australia homepage, slwa.wa.gov.au, or search for State Library of Western Australia in your browser, or SLWA. In the search box at the top of the page, I'm going to enter the search term Wallcliffe House and press on the magnifying glass icon to conduct the search. There are 16 results. I'm going to further refine these results using the facets on the left-hand side of the page. The Collections facet lists different categories. The entire State Library of WA collection refers to items available in all libraries across Western Australia. If I want to narrow the search to items only available in the building of the State Library, including the Batty Library, I would click on State Library Collection. I'm looking for a photograph, so using the Format facet, I can refine the results to only show me items that are photographs. There are 6 photographs listed. The last item, Views of Perth and Fremantle, is only available at 3rd floor pictorial stack. For this item, you would have to come into the State Library building. Fortunately, there's lots of other options here that are available online. You can further sort the search through relevance, date, time or author, and I'm going to narrow the search through publishing date. The earliest Western Australian photographs date from 1850s. I'm selecting photographs from 1850 to 1910. Don't forget to press the Apply button. To view the photograph, click on the blue title text. The catalogue entry may take a moment to load. Scroll down to see any additional notes. There aren't many notes on this photograph, but we can see the date and the call number. Each item has a unique call number, in this case 2932B/25. You can easily find the item again by using the call number in your search. You can also see a thumbnail image of the photograph. If we click the thumbnail, the photo will open in a new tab. At the bottom of the photograph, you'll see buttons that give you options to share the photograph on social media, order a copy, or download. All photographs are subject to copyright. Copyright may have lapsed on some material and may be free to use with the correct acknowledgement. You can find out more about the copyright status and acknowledgement guidelines from the State Library website. Good luck with your research.